Friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll talk about how Stoicism can help us deal with investment mistakes. Do you want to know how ancient philosophy can make you more successful in the crypto market? Then stay with us because this video might change your approach to investments forever. Imagine being able to learn from your mistakes and become better every day. Sounds incredible, but it's possible. Let's start this exciting journey together. Mistakes are inevitable in investments. No matter how experienced you are, everyone faces failures. But what distinguishes a successful investor from a loser? The ability to learn from their mistakes and use them for growth. This is where Stoicism comes in. Stoicism teaches us that mistakes and failures are part of life. Marcus Aurelius said, "If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it. This you have the power to revoke at any moment." Applying this principle to investments, we understand that what matters is not that we made a mistake, but how we react to it. Let's consider an example. Imagine you invested in a meme coin inspired by social media hype. The price started to fall, and you lost a significant amount. The first reaction is panic and disappointment. But as a Stoic, you need to stop and analyze the situation. First, accept your mistake. It's hard, but necessary. Are you at fault for the loss? Maybe you were swayed by emotions or didn't do proper research. Stoics teach us to take responsibility for our actions. Acknowledging a mistake is the first step to correcting it. Acknowledging the mistake allows you to shed some of the emotional burden and move on to rational analysis. Life examples can be simple. Suppose you didn't read all the terms before buying a product, and it turned out to be different from what you expected. By admitting this, you learn to study the terms more carefully before making a purchase in the future. The next step is reflection. Ask yourself what went wrong. Maybe you relied too much on hype and didn't do fundamental analysis. Write down all your thoughts. Stoics often kept journals to analyze their actions and improve themselves. Use this method. For example, if you invested in a meme coin based only on social media buzz, it indicates a lack of analysis. Writing this down will help you better understand where the weaknesses in your approach were. Keeping a journal helps structure your thoughts and see behavioral patterns that can be improved. Now think about how to avoid similar mistakes in the future. Maybe you need to develop stricter criteria for selecting investments. For example, not investing more than a certain amount in meme coins, or using only reliable sources of information. An important aspect of Stoic reflection is focusing on controllable factors. Epictetus said, "Some things are within our control and some things are not." You can't control the market, but you can control your reactions and decisions. Ensure your investments are based on rational analysis, not emotions. Develop an action plan. After analyzing the mistakes, write down specific steps you will take in the future. This will help you stay on track and avoid repeating the same mistakes. Imagine another example. You invested in a promising cryptocurrency, but its price fell due to negative news. Instead of selling immediately and locking in losses, think about what a Stoic would do in this situation. First, they would assess how the news affects the long-term prospects of the cryptocurrency. Maybe it's a temporary issue, and the cryptocurrency has the potential to recover. In this case, it's important not to panic and stick to your strategy. For example, if the negative news is related to temporary difficulties faced by the company behind the cryptocurrency, look at how the company plans to overcome these challenges. Maybe they have a plan that will restore investor confidence. A Stoic would look at the situation objectively, analyzing the facts rather than emotions. Second, the Stoic would focus on their inner world and emotions. If you feel fear and disappointment, accept these feelings but don't let them control your actions. Marcus Aurelius taught us to manage our emotions and not let them overtake reason. Imagine a storm. A Stoic is the anchor that keeps the ship safe. Emotions may rage around you, but you remain calm and make decisions based on common sense. For example, if you lost money due to a cryptocurrency drop, accept your disappointment, but don't let it make you take an impulsive decision. Third, the Stoic would look for opportunities to learn. Why did this cryptocurrency fall in price? Is there something you missed in your analysis? Maybe this is a good lesson for more thorough research in the future. Stoics saw every situation as an opportunity for growth and development. For example, if the reason for the drop was new regulations in the cryptocurrency industry, it indicates the importance of monitoring the legal environment. By learning from such mistakes, you become a more informed and prepared investor. Next, the Stoic investor would focus on their goal. Your goal is not immediate profit, but long-term wealth creation. Remember this, and don't let temporary setbacks knock you off course. If your goal is to accumulate capital for future retirement, short-term price fluctuations shouldn't bother you. For example, if you know you've invested in a project with good long-term potential, you can see temporary price drops as an opportunity to buy more assets at a lower price. Now let's consider the importance of preparation and planning. One of the principles of Stoicism is anticipating difficulties. This can also be applied to investments. Develop a strategy that takes into account potential risks and problems. For example, you can create a diversified portfolio that includes various cryptocurrencies and assets. This will help reduce the risk of losses from the fall of a single cryptocurrency. It's also worth setting clear rules for exiting investments when certain conditions are met. Stoics also teach us to remain calm in difficult times. When the market falls and panic grips other investors, the Stoic stays calm and makes rational decisions. Remember, the market is cyclical, and after falls, there are often rises. Let's consider another example. You invested in a cryptocurrency that suddenly soared in price. Euphoria takes over you, and you start thinking about selling to lock in profits. The Stoic in this situation would stay calm and carefully consider their actions. First, they would analyze why the cryptocurrency rose in price. Is this a justified increase or the result of speculation? If it's a justified increase, it might be worth holding the investment longer. If it's speculation, it might be wiser to lock in the profit. For example, if the price rose due to an announcement of a new partnership or technological upgrade, it could be a sustainable growth. But if the rise is driven by rumors or temporary hype, be cautious. Analyze the news, study reports, and monitor market reactions. Second, the Stoic would consider their long-term goals. If your goal is long-term capital accumulation, it might not be worth selling immediately. Instead, you could partially lock in profits and leave the rest for further growth. For example, you might sell 50% of your position to lock in profits and leave the other 50% to participate in further growth if you are confident in the long-term potential. This approach helps minimize risks while still taking advantage of future opportunities. Third, the Stoic would use their principles to make decisions. For example, you can set a rule to lock in profits when a certain level of growth is reached to avoid emotional decisions. This approach helps structure the decision-making process and avoid impulsive actions. Real-life examples might include setting automatic sell orders when a certain percentage of growth or decline is reached. This allows you to act according to the plan, even if you can't constantly monitor the market. Stoic reflection also involves analyzing successes. Not only mistakes, but also successful decisions should be analyzed. Why was your decision right? What factors played a key role? This will help you repeat success in the future. Let's summarize. Stoic reflection is a powerful tool for improving your investment decisions. Acknowledge your mistakes, analyze them, learn from them, and apply the gained knowledge for further growth. Remember Epictetus's words, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Your reaction to failures and mistakes determines your success in the long run. Apply Stoic principles to your investments, and you will see how it improves your results. Learn from your mistakes, use them as stepping stones for growth, and become better every day. Friends, thank you for watching this video to the end. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your thoughts in the comments and share your experience. And of course, don't forget to click the bell to not miss new videos. If we get 500 likes, I will release a special video on how to create a Stoic cryptocurrency investment portfolio with a balance of risk and stability to become successful. Let's achieve financial freedom together with the wisdom of the Stoics.